Are you a ventriloquist?
Yes.
I want to know Dinku Maharaj. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
What?
क्या कर रहे हो स्काउट?
अरे वो तो
मेरे बारे में गेस नहीं किया तूने? सिर्फ गेमिंग गेमिंग ही करते हो?
अरे क्रेजी भाई। नमस्ते सर जी, कैसे हो आप?
वेंट्रीलोक्विस्ट हूँ, वेंट्रीलोक्विस्ट। समझते हो वेंट्रीलोक्विज्म क्या है?
अरे आवाज
जब
कहाँ से?
शादी होता है तब समझोगे तुम।
She's saying it. She is talking. It's her mouth. She's talking from her own mouth.
Wait, I'll show you some more things. What? Let us do Betty Butter, and shut your mouth completely. Okay. Betty Butter, bottom butter, but she said this butter's bitter. If I put it in my butter, it would make my butter bitter. But a bit of butter, that would make my butter bitter. So she bought a bit of butter to make her bitter. That's Betty Butter, bit of butter.
Bro,
Do you have like an extra
standing
set of like
ovation for
another
that
mouth?
one. That is so
Yeah.
huge.
Likewise, like.
Are you having any instrument in your mouth?
No.
It's your voice.
But you know what's cool is how she can enunciate, like how she can do the buzz and the.
Oh my god! Dinku Maharaj just sneezed.
Excuse me, bless me. Okay. Suhani,
बहुत
my
अच्छा।
wife is an illusionist. Only after marrying her did I realize her beauty was an illusion.
So she's also a comedian. I could do this all day. Like I could watch her all day.
Yeah, no, same. Like I've seen ventriloquist and I know they are good, but
अपने कैरेक्टर से बाहर नहीं आ रहे थे, मतलब इतना वो फाइन है कि अपने को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है, जैसे पूरा रियलिटी लग रहा है।
Industry, if I may ask, how many years of practice did this take?
I've been practicing this for 25 years now.
Oof.
I started as a magician though.
same me, 25
Yeah.
years magician. Indushi, I got an idea. You have to see me and we are going to make Dinku Maharaj read people's mind.
Oh wow, that would be amazing.
Imagine. It'll be so
yeah.
crazy. Dinku Maharaj, you'll be able to read?
QR कोड तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
स्कैन करके बता सकता हूँ अगर हो सकता है तो।
पर डिंकू महाराज, आप इतना आपका उम्र हो गया है, सफेद बाल है, चश्मा वश्मा नहीं आया आपके?
क्या बता रही है? Do you use glasses? No, my hands shiver. So I drink directly from the bottle. No glasses. You have a drinking problem? No problem. I can drink आराम से.
इंसेन यार, इंसेन। मैं पता
Industry is also damn
है,
funny.
मैं लाइफ में पहली बार देख रहा हूँ।
Indushri, I am so happy and honored to have you on this stream of That's My Job.
Same to be honest.
I just love how That's My Job की वजह से मुझे इतने सारा प्रोफेशंस को और करीब से देखने को मिलता है. Thank you so much, Indushri. Thank you